Thomas friends. Today we are at the beach and we are going to put our friends through a beach track and have some fun. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, ooh, down through our sand. Go Thomas, through the sand. On our sand track, there he goes. Ooh, he's getting some sandy wheels. Gonna keep going down and around. Oh wow! Oh, I see him in the shadows. Shadow Thomas and Johannes. Here he comes, digging up sand. Woo! This is a very sandy track. Here we go through the sandiest part. Now it's your turn. It's your turn. Wow, he's really in the sand there. Wow, he's a sandy Thomas. Going back. Back to the beginning of the track. Gonna go around and back up to the ramp. There he comes. Coming back up the ramp. Gonna be next? Yeah.
This Thomas.
Oh, that Thomas? Whoa, down the ramp. And into the sand trap. Here he comes. Oh, he fell over. Woo. Through the sand trap. Here he comes. Woo. Around the loop. Over the little hump.
That's not a hump, that's a hill.
Oh, a hill, over the hill. Woo, down and around. Hey, should he wash off his tires in the little pool? Should he go in the pool? All right, here, put him in, right here. Oh, he's up there. Ooh, I like him. He's on the king of the castle. Whee! Oh, nope, he's not getting in that water. He said, I'm just gonna keep cruising.
Going this way.
Chugga, 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 chugga. Up and around and back. There he goes. Heading back to the hill. And woo! Over the ramp. Ooh, now Diesel's going. Go, Diesel. I see you, Diesel. They made a little bridge and a tunnel. Oh, he's gonna go up.
He's going to the other side.
Going to the other side. He's gonna come around. Whoa! He jumped over the water. Went across the bridge.
Hey, look at all the tadpoles.
Yeah, you see the little tadpoles in there? I was trying to look at them earlier. Or like little water bugs.
Yeah, the little water pops.
So cool. Oh, he's checking them out. Oh, he's going over here. Over to our little mermaid that we have over here. Oh, no, going through the tunnel. Woo, he made it through. Diesel's coming back around. He got in some sand. Around, and he's going to go back to the ramp. There he goes. Whoa, that was a pretty good ramp move. We have a big truck and we're gonna open up the back and see what Thomases are inside. Let's see, who's in there?
Mini Thomas.
Mini Thomases. We have our glow-in-the-dark little mini.
We have little one.
And our normal Thomas mini. They were hiding inside our big truck. That's everybody who was in there. Woo! There's the minis. Woohoo! We have a mermaid in the sand. Our minis are gonna drive around. Here he goes. Around our mermaid. Woo, around her tail. Ooh, so beautiful, little mermaid. Whee! Going around, up on the tail again, and down the hill. Alright, we have them in the muddy water here by the ocean. Here we go. Is the wave gonna make it? I don't know.